Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. Okay, yesterday I explained evolutionary scientist. Okay, so first, all of you open your textbook, page number 37. Now I will ask you some questions. First, I'll recall that lesson. Then I will explain the remaining lesson. Okay. So all of you open your textbook, page number 37, ma'am. So have you read the lesson? Okay. You must respond me. Okay, students. So shall I ask the first question? What kind of a boy was Vikram in his childhood? What kind of boy he is? Come on, fast. Reply me. What kind of boy is he? Come on, fast. He's a creative and curious. And also he was hardworking. He always believed in hard work. Right? So this is the qualities of Vikram Sarabhai. What is his father name? What is the name of his father? Vikram Sarabhai's father name. Anyone? Manisha, what happened? Kalpana. Yes, his name is Ambalal Sarabhai. Very good. Rahman. Very good, Rahman. So, what is his father? What is his father? Okay, his name is Ambalal Sarabhai. But what is his father? What is Vikram Sarabhai's father? Come on, fast. What is his father? His father is a famous industrialist. Okay. So, why did he set up Community Science Center? Is eminent industrialist. Very good. So, why did he set up a community science center? Why did he set up? Okay. He set up the community science center to students to do experiments their own. Okay. They should understand that they should do their experiments their own. So, next. What did he set up his residential bungalow? What did he set up in his residential bungalow? One fast. Okay. He set up physical research laboratory in his residential bungalow. Okay. For experiments. For do the experiments. Okay. So this is I explained in the previous class. Now I'll explain remaining lesson. Okay. He set up the rocket launching center at Tumba in Kerala. This center was dedicated to the international scientist community to conduct experiments. After some time, a Space Science and Technology Center was established. This center was renamed the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center in his honor and memory. At Sriharikota, he set up another rocket launching center, and in Ahmedabad, he set up the Space Application Center. Sarabhai had taken over the reins of the Atomic Energy Commission of India. He discharged his duties and guided the country to take a grand leap in that direction. Meanwhile, he took full responsibility as chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization. Vikram had made up his mind to make the country self-reliant in the field of science and technology. Those days, he worked for 15 hours a day. Sarabhai received many national and international honors in 1962 for his scientific services in the field of physics. He was awarded the Dr. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Memorial Award. The government of India honored him with the Padma Bhushan in 1966. Thereafter, he was posthumously awarded the Padma Vibhushan. He had gone to Tumba for some experimental works concerning rockets at the end of December 1971. He had attended meetings till midnight. Late at the night, he worked for a while in his hostel room before he went to sleep, but he never got up in the morning. In the early hours of December 30, 1971, he had died in his sleep due to heart attack. He was then just 52, but had worked hard till the last hours of his life. The unexpected death of Sarabhai has been a great loss to the science world, and it cannot be filled easily. Okay, so what happened? So he set up the physical research laboratory in his residential. Later, it changed into the university premises. Okay, so he was quite spoken. He also opened another research center, physical research center, for do experiments in cosmic rays. Okay, so after that, again, he was set up one of the many high-level research centers. Why he establishing this research center? To do research, to do experiments in science. Okay, so for the scientist, he was set up the research centers. Okay, so community science center was set up in university, and for the school. Just okay. Okay. Now you can hear. So first, he set up one of the community science center for the school students to do experiments their own and understand about that. So later, the community science center, its name changed into Vikram Sarabhai Community Science Center. Okay. So later, he set up the rocket launching center. So after that, he set up the rocket launching center. Okay. Where at Tumba in Kerala. He set up one of the rocket launching center. Set up the one of the rocket launching center. Where he set up this the rocket launching center? Tumba in Kerala. Tumba in Kerala. Okay. Tumba in Kerala, he set up one of the rocket launching center, and this center was dedicated to the international scientists. So might you don't have signal problem. You have signal problem, that's why you are unable to see. Okay, but here it is, everything is clear. Okay, so later, what happened? This center was dedicated. Rocket launching center was dedicated to international scientists. And next. After some time, a Space Science and Technology Center was established. After that, Space Science and Technology Center. Space Science and Technology Center. Technology Center. Okay. Space Science and Technology Center launched by Vikram Sarabhai. Okay. So after that, they renamed the Space Science and Technology Center into Vikram Sarabhai Space Science Center. Okay, so it was renamed into Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. This name only again, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. See, here clear only, ma. Might you have a problem? Okay. So it's renamed into Vikram Sarabhai Space Center in the honor of and memory of the Vikram Sarabhai. Okay. At Sriharikota, he set up another rocket launching center. So after set up this rocket launching center, one more rocket launching center he set up in Sriharikota. Okay. Rocket launching center. Launching center at Sriharikota. At Sriharikota, he launched one more rocket launching center at Sriharikota. And after that, he set up the Space Application Center again in Ahmedabad. Space Application Center. One more, Space Application Center. It is called SAC. Okay. So he set up one more. No more here. Everything is clear, students. There is no signal problem. Might you have a signal problem, huh? Here everything is clear. Okay. So later he launched one of the Space Application Center at Ahmedabad, and Sarabhai had taken over the reins of the Atomic Energy Commission of India. So after that, he has taken over the reins of Atomic Energy Commission of India. Reins means powers. Okay, he has taken the powers of Atomic Energy Commission in India. He discharged his duties. So after that, he discharged his duties to guide the country to take a giant leap in that direction. So after that, he discharged means he resigned his job. Then he was guiding. That means he was inspiring, and he was telling how to do experiment something. Okay, I'll move. How to do so he wants to improve the science technology. That's why he was resigned his job. Then he was giving the directions and he was guiding the scientist. Meanwhile, he took full responsibility of chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization. Later, he became the chairman of. He became the chairman of Indian Space Research Center. IMD. Indian Space Research Center. Research Organization. So he became the chairman of Indian Space Research Organization. Okay. So Vikram had made up his mind to make the country self-reliant in the field of science and technology. So those days he worked for 15 hours a day. So after that he wants to make our country self-reliant. That means we should not depend on other countries. Okay. For science and technology, we should not depend on other countries. So we should do our experiment our own. Okay, we should not depend on other countries. That's why daily he worked for 15 hours. He worked hard for 15 hours to make our country self-reliant. Okay. So next, Sarabhai received many national and international honors in 1962 for his scientific service in the field of physics. He was awarded the Dr. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. So in 1962, he received Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award. And next, the government of India honored him with a Padma Bhushan in 1966. In 1966, he awarded Padma Bhushan. Okay, and next, thereafter he was posthumously awarded the Padma Vibhushan. Posthumously means after his death. Okay, after his death, he received Padma Vibhushan Award. Okay, this is Padma Bhushan, and after his death, he received Padma Vibhushan. Award. So he had gone to Tumba for some experimental works concerning rockets at the end of December 1971. So once he went to Tumba. Why he went to Tumba? To experimental works concerning rocket launching. So we are launching rockets in the space. So in that work, he wants to explain something about the rocket launching. He went in the month of December 1971. December, right here, December 1971, he went to Tumba for doing some experiments on the rocket launching. So what happened? He had attended the meeting. So he had attended that meeting, and the meeting also completed. So after completion of the meeting, he came at midnight. He came to his hostel at midnight, and late in the night he worked for a while in his hostel. So after completion of the meeting, he reached his hostel room. So the midnight he reached his hostel room. But after reaching his hostel room, he worked for some science experiments. So he slept at late night on the day. But a while in his hostel room before he went to sleep, but never got up in the morning. So already he attended the meeting and up to midnight. After completion of the meeting, what happened? He came to hostel room. After coming to hostel room, what he did? He did some experimental work in his hostel room. After completion of the work, he slept. Okay. So late night he slept on the day, but he did not wake up. What happened? While sleeping, he got heart attack and he was died at night. Okay. On December 30, 1971, he died in his sleep due to heart attack. Okay. He was then just 52 years. When he was died, he was just 52 years. Okay. So December 30th December 1971, he died. When he died, his age is 52 years. Okay. So, but had worked hard till the last hours of his life. So until when he died, before dying also he was working for the science, right? So at the last moment he was dying until he was dead. He was working for the science. He was always continuously worked hard. Okay. The unexpected death of Sarabhai has been a great loss to the science world, and it cannot be filled easily. So the unexpected death, nobody thinks that he will die, right? So just up to last moment he worked. He also attended the meeting. He worked in his hostel room. So nobody expect that he will die. So that is unexpected death he got. So because of his unexpected death, it was been a great loss for our country, right? We can't fulfill his place. Still, we can't fulfill his place. Why? Because he has contributed so many science research center to our India, right? So that's why we can't fulfill his place. Okay. So next, first I'll explain the meanings, then I'll go to worksheet. Okay. Have you completed your worksheet, ma? And nobody is sending your fair notes. I told you write your fair notes and send it to me, but nobody is sending. What happened? You should complete fair note up to this lesson. Okay. Now I will explain meanings. Okay. First word, visionary. What is the meaning of visionary? Okay. Visionary means one with great dreams and projects. One with great dreams. Someone have a great dreams. That means I have to do something to our country. Okay. He wants to achieve something. He has great dreams towards our country. So that such persons are called visionary, who have thoughts about the futures. Okay. Who have dreams about future. Next, pioneer. One that helps open up a new line of thought or activity. So pioneer means the person who thinks creatively, who is thinking about the different manner to improve our country, to develop our country. Okay. Next, industrialist, an owner or manager of industrial company. So Vikram Sarabhai's father, Ambalal Sarabhai, he was industrialist. Industrialist means the manager of the industrial company. Okay, owner or manager. Eminent. Eminent means prominent. Very important. Okay. Next, curiously. Curiously means eager to know about something. So you children have also you are eagerly waiting for knowing something. If you know something new, so you want to know clearly about that thing. You have curiosity to know. So that is called curiosity. Know something new. Okay. Next, unravel. Unravel means here solve. Next, research. Careful or diligent study of a subject for new facts, etc. Research means to know about new facts. Okay. For example, we don't know about something, so we do something to know about that thing. Okay. So research also doing that in they will do experiments to know about new things. Okay. Galaxy means here Milky Way, space. Yeah. Next, space, the universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Oh my god, what happened? I think signal problem. Okay. Space means here the universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Space means the universe beyond the atmosphere. Okay. Next, obtain. Obtain means gain by effort to know something. Okay. Next, premises, a house or the other building and its ground. Premises means, for example, this is our school building. So the outside of the space ground, we have ground. So that is called premises. Okay, school premises we call that. So like that, he also connected one of our science center in his house premises. Home. Okay, so there is a signal problem again. Okay, might you have. Okay, next one. Courteously. Courteously means here, who behaved courteously here? Vikram Sarabhai behaved courteously with his students and his co-workers. Courteously means politely. Okay? He was behaving politely with his co-workers. Next. Independent. Not relying on the other. Independent means? Okay. Independent means not depending on others for anything. Okay? So next, contribute. Contribute means to give or to help. So he contributed these many space centers and research centers to our country. Contribute means he helped us. He helped in science and technology. Okay, he helped to our country. So he contributed these many science and research centers. He established these centers and give it to our country. Right? Next, immensely. Immensely means greatly. Okay. Next, launching. Launching means starting. Rockets are launching. You might have heard that today rocket was launched by them. Okay. So launched means they started the rocket to the space. Okay. Next, dedicate. Dedicate means devote to uh, once in time energy or noble cause or purpose. Devote means to give something to them. Okay. Establish, put on film basis. Establishment, put on film. Establish means to keep, to make something. Okay. Did you understand? Reigns. Reigns means ruling authority. He get the reins of the space center. That means he got authority. He became the owner of that company. Okay. Giant leap. Giant leap means take a big step. Okay. So at a time we have to reach that level. That's why we will take the big step. That is called a giant leap. Self-reliant, having or showing confidence in one's own powers. Self-reliant means self-confidence. We say self-confidence. Okay. So we have confidence that we can do our own. We will not depend on others. Such things are called self-reliant. Honored. Honored means regarded with honor. To respect. Okay. To give something to in his respect. Memorial, something made to keep remembrance of alive. So on his memorial, they have given the name of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. So why? Because to remember that great person. Okay, to remember the great person, we give names to some space centers. He's a great person. He contributed these many space centers and science and technology centers to our country. So to remember that person, we gave the name to that country. That research centers. Posthumously means after the death. Posthumously, he was awarded that Padma Vibhushan. That means after his death, he was awarded as Padma Vibhushan. Who was Vikram Sarabhai? Was awarded with Padma Bhushan. Padma Vibhushan. Padma Bhushan, before death he has taken. After death he has taken Padma Vibhushan award. Okay. So that is about the Vikram Sarabhai, a visionary scientist. Okay. Hope you understand today's lesson. Okay. Listen, ma, you must read the lesson 2 or 3 times. Okay. So to remember these names, it is very hard to remember these names. That's why I'm saying that you must read the lesson 2 or 3 times. Okay. Then learn all the meanings. Whatever given in your textbook, you must learn the meanings. If you learn the meanings, then only you are able to complete your worksheet. So that's why I'm saying that you must read the lesson 3 times, and after that you learn meanings. Okay. So here there is a signal problem, I think. Okay, ma'am. I can't do anything that the signal problem occurred here. Okay. Okay. Hope you understand today's lesson. Shall I conclude the lesson? Class. We will meet in next class. Thank you.